Hello guys, today's topic is an essay, the game I like most. I'm a good player, hence I take part in all the outdoor games. Each one has his own choice. Some like hockey, others like football, while many others considered cricket to be their best game. The game I like most is football. Now you can ask me why I prefer football to any other game. It can be easily explained. The main object of all game is to give us some exercise. This is one reason why football is my favorite game. It helps our body to grow. It brings a sense of discipline and a habit of endurance in us. A good football player is sure to succeed in any walk of life. He can make himself a great soldier to defend his country. He can be a clever statesman to run the government. Another reason of my choice is that it is very economical. It does not require costly equipment. A ball and well leveled ground is all that is required to start our game. And then it is easy to pick up its rules. We do not require any special coach for it. Is learned so easily by boys that they begin to play it in a very young age. They dare not to play hockey or cricket. Like hockey or cricket, football is played by two teams of 11 boys. A team consists of 5 forwards, 3 halfbacks, 2 fullbacks and 1 goalkeeper. The player kicks the ball with his feet, but he may touch it with any other part except with his hand. The goalkeeper, however, can use his hands as well. A player may be tempted to push an opponent to go far ahead of the ball near the opposite goal. So pushing and offside are regarded as a foul play. The penalty for a foul is a kick by a player of the opposite team. The fewer fouls you make, the more chances you have to win the game. The game of football gives us good exercise. We have to keep vigilant and alert. It encourages the team spirit.